let's try it again. I don't hear it. I'm trying to diagnose the sound. That doesn't make sense. That's it. That's the sound. So, I thought it was a cabin fan. Hear it? Sound. It almost seems related to the speed of the vehicle. Hear it? Hear it? Slower, it gets slower. But if I turn the cabin fan off, the noise is gone. But I've replaced the cabin fan already, and it's too loud. See if I can make it happen again here in a driveway. I'll turn the fan back on. No racket. No sound yet. There it is. Let's sit down. This is the cabin fan. Sounds like a fan. But that noise. Turn the fan off. Gone. What is making that noise? It's not the cabin fan. What is it?